brother Jazz. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. So we're gonna open up the Lego Star Wars. So let's start opening this up. First, I'm gonna open up this one. That's Wait, baby. Yes, we're gonna open it. So this is the inside of it. Of the box. We're gonna put this all away. Then I think I'll be needing scissors. I think I need scissors. Yeah. Where's the scissors? Tell to Mom I need scissors. Just go. 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 There. I get rid of it. I get one. Let's just do the same. Then same thing. It seems he is happy. Hello. Hello. Go, go. There, I get another one. Yes. Oh. Give me. You arrange this one. Bye-bye? Bye-bye. Why bye-bye? Bye-bye. It's really hard to... Well, guys, I get all of it. So I'm gonna start this. I'm gonna start building it. So I'm gonna build it up. This is the weirdest Lego that I ever had. Wait, can you give that to me? Please? Oh, Jazz. Okay. Where's the head? Wait, baby, I need it. It's really weird. So here's the Lego number 1. Oopsie, baby, wait. So here's the Lego. Wait. So I will proceed with the another one. So let's start. And that. So here's all the things. So I'm just gonna fix it up and I'm gonna show you when I'm done. Well guys, this is it. I'm actually done. Here is the second one, and here is the first one that I made. Wait. Here's the first one that here's the second one that I made, and this one is the first one that I made. So, excuse me, baby. Here are the two Lego that I made. So, thanks for watching. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Hope you like it.